People are asking, how to 3D print transparent models with a full-color 3D printer? Here are the key points. First, in 3D modeling, split transparent and textured parts into separate files, but keep the same position. Upload them to the slicer using Load Group. Choose the files you want to be transparent. No need to add supports, just position the model. Then slice. After post-processing, you'll get a one-piece, semi-transparent, full-color model. What kind of transparency do you want them to print?